In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload images to Dropbox, a process that's both simple and essential for organizing, storing, and sharing your photos effectively. Let's begin. First off, head over to Dropbox.com. This is the starting point where all the magic happens. On this website, you can manage your files, create new folders, and, most importantly for our session today, upload your precious images. Once you arrive at the Dropbox homepage, you'll notice a login button. Click on this. It's your gateway to accessing your files. If you're new to Dropbox, don't worry. Signing up is straightforward and free for a basic account, which offers a generous amount of storage space to get started. After clicking login, you'll be given several options to continue. One of the quickest ways to access your account is by clicking on Continue with Google. This option allows you to log in using your Google account credentials, making the process smooth and hassle-free, especially if you're already signed into Google on your browser. Now let's get to the fun part, uploading images. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Files section of Dropbox. This is where all your stored files and folders are displayed. Think of it as your cloud-based file cabinet, where everything from documents to images finds its place. In the Files section, look for the Upload button. This is your tool for bringing new content into your Dropbox universe. Clicking on Upload activates a drop-down menu with options to upload either files or folders. Since our focus is on images today, we'll select Files. A dialog box will appear, prompting you to select the images you wish to upload from your computer. You can choose a single image or multiple images. If you're planning to upload several images at once, holding down the Ctrl key or Command on Mac while clicking on the files can speed up this process. Navigate through your folders and select the image or images you want to store in Dropbox. Then simply click Open in the dialog box. Your images will now start uploading to Dropbox. You can track the progress of the upload directly on the screen. The time it takes will depend on the size of your files and the speed of your internet connection. For most standard images though, this process is relatively quick. Once the upload is complete, your images will be safely stored in your Dropbox account. You can view them, organize them into folders, or share them with friends and family directly from Dropbox. It's a neat way to keep your memories in one place, accessible from anywhere on any device. Here are a few tips to enhance your experience. 1. If you're looking to upload a large number of images, consider creating a dedicated folder for these within Dropbox before beginning the upload. This keeps your images organized and easy to find later on. 2. Dropbox also offers a useful desktop app and mobile app. By installing these, you can streamline the upload process even further. For example, with the desktop app, you can simply drag and drop images into your Dropbox folder and they'll automatically sync with your online account. 3. Take advantage of Dropbox's sharing features. Once your images are uploaded, you can easily create a shareable link to a single image or a folder of images, making it incredibly simple to share memories with others. Plus, you can control who has access to what, adding an extra layer of privacy to your files. Uploading images to Dropbox offers a secure and efficient way to safeguard your photos against loss, access them from anywhere, and share them with anyone you choose. The process, as we've covered, is straightforward, but knowing these steps and tips can make your experience even smoother. Thank you for joining me in learning how to upload images to Dropbox. Whether you're backing up precious memories, organizing your photo collections, or sharing them with loved ones, Dropbox makes it all easy and manageable. Happy uploading.